the Tarte palette in Bloom, and I'm gonna be going over my lid. So I tend to start with a white shade for like a base coat. So I'm gonna go on with that. And I'm going to be using a small brush to find the right brush. This brush. And yeah. So I'm gonna be using this. And this smells like the Cocoa Too Faced palette. And it smells really good. I really like it. Sorry. I just fixed my back mirror. If you want to know how I set up my camera, it usually pops. I am so professional. But yeah. So I'm going on with my eye. And I would do this 2 times, but most people do it once, but I like to do it twice, so it gives more like, makes your lid more like, have more like a plate of working with, blending colors and making it more bright. So, yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to be going over with the Jet Setter, and I'm going to be using this for the full lid. So I'm going on with that. And make sure you blend this out. So that's what I just did. And then I'm going to be going on with the Rocker shade from this In Bloom palette. So this color by Smokes Howl. So I'm gonna be going on with that. I really just like a natural look. I like me a nude. Cause I don't like, it depends on my mood, because like, I don't want to like, have like bold, bright colors for school, but like, sometimes I like a bright color, so that's me. So I'm gonna be using Funny Girl, and I'm gonna be using that on the middle part of my lid, so here we go. And I feel like this makes the look pop, and like gives it that glam. And I feel like it makes you look more awake. Like, when you have a bright color, it makes you makes it all that time better. That makes sense. But yeah. I think that looks really pretty. Yeah. So going on, finishing blending. And with that fallout, just take yourself a fluffy brush and just brush it on. And after that's said and done, I am going on with some eyeliner. Sorry, I'm kind of sick. It's cold season. I don't want to go on with a full face of foundation. I'm going to be going on with this Maybelline Age Line Eraser Circle Concealer. It's really nice. It's almost gone. It's like here. I need to get me somewhere, but yeah. So, oh my god. Hashtag professional, but yeah. I said I want to be down to earth today, so getting me down to earth. That makes sense. So I'm going to be using one of these concealers. I might change it up. But yeah, I'm going to be using eyeliner now. So, getting down with eyeliner. And honestly, when it comes to tips on eyeliner, just go right at it. That. And do the other eye. Okay, so now I'm going on with mascara. And the mascara I'm using is from Tarte. I don't remember which one it was, but this is the bottle. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Like, it doesn't give you like spider leg lashes. I think it's really nice. I would go do this. So make sure you get your underlash. So, if you want a full face of like foundation, but you don't want to use the liquid foundation, you can always go down with this, and you can put that on. So I'm going to finish this off with concealer because I don't feel like I really need foundation. Like, also I want to like cover up. I don't want to like make my, because I'm trying to clear my acne, but like it's bad. So I'm just going to be going on with this. And that's pretty much the end of the look. I blend it in, put powder on, and you're done. I think this is a good go-to, and then you can blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to be using Milani. And I'm gonna be using this pink color. I don't remember what name it is, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna put this on. And it smells really good, like it smells like Starburst. And that's the end of this look. Put powder on. I'm not gonna, cause I wanna hurry up, so. Blend in that foundation, and that's the end of this look. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoy watching me, and you enjoy this channel, and bye these.